Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So the brake lights, guys, okay, fuse is located, okay, you will have two fuse boxes. The brake lights fuse is located in the fuse box that's under the hood on your Ford F-150. That's the radiator overflow bottle, that's the car battery. And if you come, guys, okay, in that corner right here behind the car battery, you will, guys, have your fuse box. You open that cover, and once you open that cover, you're going to see, guys, the fuse box just like that. You will be facing the fuse box on this side, and that will be towards the windshield side. Now, that's for the brake lights, but even if your brake lights do not work, you have another switch that's known, another fuse, guys, that's known as a brake paddle position switch fuse. Brake paddle position switch fuse. You will have the video on the channel where it's located. If the brake paddle position switch doesn't work, your brake lights will not work as well. So let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Now you can see you guys have different relays, different kinds of fuses, you have all kinds of fuses, guys, and those could be really expensive and even sometimes really hard to find in small towns, and you may be stuck in the middle of nowhere if you don't have one. So we recommend to keep some spares in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping usually as well. So the fuse that we'll need to check for the brake lights will be in that fuse panel right here, guys. And it's known as fuse number 16. If you come in this row right here, from bottom to top will be that third 10M fuse that you will need to check specifically. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.